So guys, the product come with this neatly packaged box, as you can see outside. On the side right there, you can see the model number. You can see the power, which is 2 watt max, capacity 2200 million amp, and it is 3.5 hours worth of charging, which not really a long time. So this is, guys, the package that it came in. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. So we have the little lamp thing right here. This basically like the charging station. So we got the VEYFIY light here, little card right in here. So inside right here we have the little lamp right in here. And here, guys, we have the VEYFIY lamp. Here we have the user manual. Then right here we got the cable right here, charging cable, and this is basically a Type-C cable. So guys, I like the design of this. It feels pretty neat. I like how neat this is. And I have the VEYFIY logo right in and right there. And as you guys can see, when I'm basically touching this, it basically turn on. And another thing that I want to show you guys about this right here, by looking at this right here, you can see the instruction. Double tap to turn it on or off, press. Night light, long press. Power, press for 1.5 seconds. Light mode, short press, 1 hour auto timer. So on the bottom right here, you can see the power button, and you also have the timer right here, 1 hour timer, and you also have the charging deck right here that you can charge basically on this right here. So by charging it, you can put it on it like this. So guys, as you can see right now, this light is basically charging. So let me see if there's any indication right here. Yes, so there's an indication right here. There's a little red light. That means this light here is basically charging. I may assume that when this is fully charged, it won't show red. It might be show a green light or any other light that show that this is basically full charge. Double tap and it's off right now. So I'm gonna double tap again and it's on. So guys, as advertised, this product basically has 4 modes, and you can switch from basically all of these 4 modes by using this power button here on the bottom. As you guys can see, this right here is a power button. So I can switch from different modes using the power button by pressing it on it. Right guys, so this is the next mode. So you can see that the light on the bottom and the candle light is basically on. This is just another mode. And you can see, guys, a next mode where you can see only light in the bottom right here, and there is no light in the candle. And there is a next mode, guys, where you can see that a little warmer or yellowish color light in here. There is no candle at the top. And next mode, which is candle right here, and there is no light in the bottom. And guys, as you can see, whenever you press the timer, you can see that a little light on here, that basically a 1 hour timer. So after 1 hour, this will basically shut off by itself. So it's pretty a very interesting product, guys, that you guys can try out and check out for your baby. Also for your desk setup like me, if you're a person who into all these desk setup, right, you can basically try this out.